Yeah, we did a little mulch install yesterday, and I got a call back that I missed a spot, and what we're gonna be doing right now is gonna go buy 2 bags of mulch and pretty much just go back to the property and install the mulch. Sometimes it's not all rainbows and sunshines. Sometimes you do forget. We are humans. I bought a rake because mine messed up yesterday. So yeah, my truck is not that clean right now, but what can you expect? It's a work truck. So they got the special going on for it's $5. I mean, not $5, $10 for 5 bags of mulch, and I think that's pretty good. I used to go to the nurseries, but to tell you the truth, it's way easier using the bag mulch. So that's what we use pretty much now. We use the bag of mulch, and pretty much it. So yeah, let's go to the property and show you what we got. This is the shrub we forgot yesterday to do. I'm not sure if you could tell, but yeah, we're just gonna basically cut around there and then put the mulch in. So let's go get the shovels. This one. And then got this one right here. Got my gloves. And I'm pretty much just gonna do the shape. Maybe like from right here. I was gonna use a weed eater, but use this one. I was gonna use the weed eater, but yeah, I kind of want to like curb it. All right, like that. Maybe come a little bit more this way, because this are, oh no, I thought that was a root. So you could use this to de-weed, or you could use a weed eater too. So just don't want to make a lot of noise right now. But probably gonna use a weed eater. I'm gonna go get it. I said I didn't want to use a weed eater, but like I said, you got to make your job easier, not harder. So let's see how this goes. I'm up to the edge. Like you see, it looks cleaner now. Gotta clean that up. Let me go bring the rake. Just basically, what I'm doing right here is cleaning the area. And get it ready for the mulch. I guess the camera wasn't recording, but I did a little trench right here with the shovel. Pick this up. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this to that side. And we'll get the blower. Take these things off. Either way, they'll decompose with the mulch, but it's a root, a big root right there. This one too. Just make sure everything is clean. Oh. So yeah, hopefully customer likes it. Found the mulch is really simple. 2-pack will be good. In cases like this, I don't know what y'all do, but better if they have like a edge around. So just improvise right now. That's the only problem I see on this side. Might need like an edge or something. Let's go see if we get another bag. Here looks good. Might throw this mulch over here on this. Maybe these bricks would work. Man, they got fucking hands. They got ants. I mow this property, so I know there were some bricks over here. But it's just the mulch won't come out. This one needs right there some little bricks or something. There's some more over here. Just so the mulch won't come out, you know. Sometimes you gotta improvise like that. And once you're installing mulch, don't use this side. Don't use the bottom side. You use the top side. So you can level it. A lot of people do that. A lot of people don't know that, but that's what you need to do. And let's go spread this one over here. This one just go around like this. Simple. And this one, alrighty, we just finished this little small mulch installation. We put the little bricks, you know, so mulch won't come out. And yeah guys, I mean, if you like these videos, if you like the point of view videos, man, just go ahead. You don't have to subscribe, just give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below, how will you do it? This is the way I do it. You know, no special tools, just basically, you know, your weed eater, a blower, and a shovel, and of course the mulch. Like these videos, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.